Hello everyone, my name is Jessica Rodriguez. I am 23 years old and I am from Chuachi, Cundinamarca, Colombia. I study health administration and I work at Clínica Los Nogales in the billing department. Today I want to talk about one of my favorite band, Morat. Morat is a Colombian pop band formed in Bogotá. The members are Juan Pablo Izaza, Juan Pablo Villamil, Simón Vargas, and Martín Vargas. Their music mixes pop, folk, and romantic lyrics, and they are very famous in Latin America and Spain. One of my favorite songs by Morat is Besos en Guerra with Juanes. It is a romantic song about love and heartbreak, and I love how emotional and sincere the lyrics are. Their music makes me feel happy and nostalgic at the same time. Morat concerts are full of energy and their songs connect with people of all ages. I think their success comes from their authenticity and the way they express feelings that everybody can relate to. Thank you for listening to my presentation about Morat.